Mike Diesel Production.
I get those lines, showing toss of rhyme. I get those lines, showing toss of rhyme. I get those lines, showing toss of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my what crime. I get those lines, showing toss of rhyme. I get those lines, showing toss of rhyme. I get those lines, showing toss of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my what crime.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? This Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. I'm on here with another video today. This video is a 1 with the grain, a 1.5 with the grain, and I'm just tapering the sides. Most people know this haircut is a temp fade. This is a wavelength haircut. Shout out to my boy Johnny. Co-pellet, where you at? Hashtag co-pellet. Y'all follow that on Instagram. My boy got a movement. Anyways, what I'm doing here is I'm lowering the hair level all the way down to a 1.5. Now I got my liners and I'm drawing my first guideline to where I'm gonna be tapering the sides. It's a fairly simple haircut. All you gotta do is sit back, pay attention, follow the steps. We're gonna do the other side. Do the tape up, wrap everything up, and we all good. So y'all sit back, relax, listen to the music, and pay attention. Okay, I'm not sure if y'all understand what just happened, but we went ahead and drew the guideline with the liners. Then we took the half guard. No, we drew the guideline with the liners. Then we opened the clipper all the way open, closed it. Then put the half guard, opened it, closed it. Put the 1 guard, opened it, closed it. And now we're on this side. Same thing. You just got the clippers open and closed. Then we're gonna come back with the half guard, open and close. And then we're gonna come back with the 1 guard, open and close. Pretty simple, fairly simple haircut. This was the hardest haircut for me in the beginning of my career. I just couldn't get the fade right for some reason. It was very little real estate to work with. I felt like I couldn't really fade in that little bit of space. But the more and more I did it, the more and more I realized that it's the same thing as doing a ball fade or any other type of fade. So it wasn't that hard to me after a while. This could be a little tricky to new barbers, but if you just keep going with it, take your time, try to perfect your craft, you'll figure this out with no problem. It'll all come easy to you at some point. In this game, the more you do it, the better you are. The harder you work, the better you are. The secret to this game is showing up. You gotta be there. You gotta be at the shop 24 hours a day, 365. And when I say 24 hours, I mean store hours. But you gotta be there, you gotta be on time, and you gotta do good work. This right here is the final process. The edge up, tape up, shape up. It all depends on where you from in the country. We all got different lingos and outlines and, you know, however you want to call it. Hey, shout out to Barber Illuminati, man. Barber Illuminati, it's the movement. We taking over, y'all. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Pound Barber Illuminati. Hashtag Barber Illuminati. at Barber Illuminati. Y'all follow my brother Barber Illuminati on Instagram. Also follow him on YouTube. This right here is the final product, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If you got any questions, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, whatever you do. I just want feedback. Y'all let me know what's going on. Subscribe to my channel.